Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. AS FAR Rabat 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, but there's a difference. It's not a draw. It's a win for Mamelodi Sundowns because on aggregate, it is AS FAR Rabat 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. And now, Mamelodi Sundowns are the new CAF Champions League winners for this season, 2025-2026. Maybe Chile season, but could this be the year 2016 simchinja simenze 2026? Yes, that's the answer. Mamelodi Sundowns have been crowned the new champions South Africa Junior, taking the title away from abantu bedlala nabo last season in Pyramids. Remember, they were knocked out in the group stages this season, but Sundowns made sure ukuthi they did better than what they did last season. This season they are the champions. Junior kunjani?
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay.
Le wa ungangibuza ukuthi ngithenga ibhale phansi.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, uthanda ibhale phansi le?
I'm just reminding ukuthi nale phela bengithe Betway Premiership nale.
Oh, uthanda ibhale phansi? No, zange ibhale phansi lelo mhlobo wami.
Ukhohliwe na.
No, zange ibhale phansi.
I'm reminding you.
Uthanda ibhale phansi?
Ibhale phansi.
Yenzekile Juni.
No, amfethi sibonga le God of Mount Zion mina ngihlale ngiphakamisela le yami kepisi emhlophe. Because ezinye izinto sinokuzikhuluma, especially ku Diski TV, we've been proving ourselves for the past 6 years. Kunezinto esishilo. Ovuyasa abantu. There are things esizozisho ezinye ngezenzeke exactly, but iDiski TV semangaze umhlaba my brother. That's for me. Anyway, opinion of everyone, but sibonga uNkulunkulu nje sengikhuluma ngeDiski TV as a whole.
Sure.
Shane, going to the game. Mamelodi Sundowns, they are the kings of African football. For me, ithi ngibulise uJustice, ngibulise uNkululeko, ngibulise uBobo, ngibulise uTho. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting on try to fix South African football. Yeah, honestly, this game been my emotions. Kings of African football, that's Mamelodi Sundowns. But consider about the spine in football is very important. The spine, is goalkeeper, 2 centre back, midfielders, which is Jaden Adams, Debza Mkwena. Not much of Nuno, but Alende when he comes in. Also this guy Leo, Rono Nilems as well, spine of the team, very important everywhere. Yeah, I mean, these guys, big games for big players. Debza, for me, man of the match. Jaden Adams, man of the match. Kulman Ndamane, man of the match. Kipidu, man of the match. Rono Nilems, I'll give man of the match as well. Mistake wa rectifier. Aksigi is ukuze redeem akutwele kanga kwenza plan delingaga. I mean, as a player, I first touch yako babaqinisile bathi balekile. But ukushaya bad touch ku game enjengale, and then bad touch ubuze redeem abantu bakubhuwa. Ifana nalento yenzo Ronweni. Wenza blunder, and then he gave his strike, wenza blunder or fouler, he saved the penalty. Asikhulume nje ngegame. Sundowns first 30 minutes for me, I think baqale a bit slow. I think the body language Ronan Williams at the back, they wanted to build up. I don't think, honestly speaking, they were in the game. Not much on the game, but they're very good player. I think Lomfana is umkhulisa into ezinjengalezi. Very good player, technically is good. Ubheke nale bhola egole Sundowns, kune assist lapha yabona. Before kuzoba le assist ngaliyo, uyoshaya le through ball kuliyo. So not much in the game, but the boy did very well. Because of being footballer, lose the ball, but he never lost the ball so many times. So it's just that Beang came in. I mean, it came Bobona. These guys were coming in numbers. First we see, they were coming in numbers. These guys in Tabanzi, they were overloading inside like left. Then when you number 11, now they number 10 one. The wing, the number 10 one. Also the left wing back. Left wing back was top class player, one of the best left wing back in Africa. For me, this guy on my threats. I mean, he played as a Europe league. That's for me. He can play in Europe. This guy was a team. As far the left wing back, I think Ingwenya technically very good. Can deal in 1v1. He's got speed, he's got power. He understand the game. He was very comfortable in the ball. I'm not the other bowler, so can play as even here in the midfield. You can play. The guys are taking midfield, the wing, even or left wing. So Sundowns after conceding the goal, as a defender, once you face a good defender, there will be a problem. Ulunga lapa agaskenanga, ang understand wa agaskenanga. Lunga just kick the ball the first time. khipha ibhola libuyele la livela khona uyangi-understand sibuye siregroupe lapha ulungu wenza iblunder. I think ulunga wenza iblunder too much and leya nto leya I mean i-Sundowns ukuthi they are good side. I mean after conceding kule crowd engaka beku difficult mfethu to come back here because it's Sundowns against millions of people. So well done to I think i-Sundowns after getting this guy bakora i-Sundowns ngibone thathe responsibility. I'm talking about ithathe nje one moment. Le bhola leliwe lokuhlana ungene phakathi kwaba ne run uliyo wamdlala uliyo waprotecta le bhola walibuyisa nge-square pass utebza ukuthi ufika nini lapha. There's understanding. These are sometimes they've got three best midfielders in Africa as a whole. That's for me. And into abenza babe special akuna team engabhekana nabo I think pound to pound. Sengikhuluma nge-open play because of these three midfielders. That's for me. Mele ube ne-plan mouth because uJaden Adams, Marcelo Allende and Tebza Mokoena ubheke na second. I mean they got the goal. After 30 minutes, kick came in. After getting the goal, I think they were pushing. These guys, they were coming. It came about almost balanced. You understand? Second half, these guys running out of ideas. These guys, they don't have creative players. Abana are skillful players. It's only them when you're number 11. Forceful, coming on the left hand. Marbe makane ngwenya umdawu. Umdawu, we prevail with ngwenya 1v1. Causing a speed, but being a konukula gumdawu. Every time he take mdawu, not to say there was a cover. Umdawu begat, you know, you can come at me. And then we know won't come up at ngwenya. Well done to Umdawu. And Sundowns second half, I think they redeemed themselves after coach eliminated this boy Kutlwane Lutlako. Mina bengibheka ukuthi uzokhipha this guy Nuno. Ame kuKutlwane kube shape nje up front. Mhlambe this guy Matthews on the left, Kutlwane on the left. Leo, yes, central, and then kube ne shape here in the midfield whereby uJaden Adams, uTebza Mokoena, na this guy Marcelo Allende. Bengizitshela ukuthi coach uzoyenza kanjalo, but now I saw this guy Nuno on the right hand side. But the game was balanced. They keep it ball. Ngihlale ngisho the best way to defend is to keep the ball, especially kuma right areas. Sundowns today they frustrated this team. These guys, they lack creativity. Every time they go wide, they want to cross the ball without any number in the box. And Bona, they are very predictable. I don't think they are technically good. Yeah, in the midfield, they've got midfielders who are they are very good, but they are not compared to Sundowns midfielders. I think Sundowns they win the battle in the midfield. Sundowns beat them, but it's just cause I think with their own mistakes, who call keeper Ronwen, I mean, when they plan handle the ball. You are number one goalkeeper in the country, but ubonisile uRonwen ukuthi he is number one goalkeeper. Just mindset uRonwen mele bakhulume nje naye. Ezinye izinto they need to tarnish him because ukusho umnandi uRonwen, but it's here ilento ukuthi I'm number one. I know I'm going to start at the World Cup Sundowns. I'm starting all the games between Premiership, CAF, any cup. Now now there was no need with the other pile the ball, hold the ball, Ronwen. But well done for him. Okay. Ngenzi plan, I've got a strong character because last year in the game, it was not a game of only the talent or how you play technically. It was tactics, also the character. Here, la baby session training. I mean, this is the high standard of game. Leshin, le when you came, fetchebu zama question and abantwana la they were not gonna fit. And truly speaking, sometimes I think they should. And I mean, there's nothing. I mean, we can say as much as we can. Not bonabasava because that penalty score. It gave me back, go by draw, and now Sundowns they were going to chase. But well done second half. I think second half much better for Sundowns. But playing away against these guys is not easy. I mean, they need to learn amanyama team to go away. You rather go final, look at the away, come back this side. But amateam amani go to Premiership, they need to learn. I mean, mawudlala tournament mfethu asike sinye stage ngaphandle kwalesi. Sengisho la eAfrica. Now from here you can go. I'm sure World Cup even Hugo Bros Sundowns players that is going to choose. It's going to start with them. There's no way you can start with other players angadlala tournament. Especially Africa. Angisho ukuthi awekho ama player good angafiki la ngoba kunemanye thola certain position elinye player li good but alikho kule team enjalo. So well done to Sundowns, I think well deserved. Like I said, Shane. Abazoyithatha the tournament. They've experienced team. Nepetwe Premiership for me that they were unlucky. That's for me unlucky Petwe Premiership.
You know why is it different, Junior? Sundowns this season as compared to la final last season. You know why is it different this season? Play final
Yeah, one. I'll be honest to you. Sundowns had two strikers that are very, very critical, which is Leo Reyners. At the back, much better compared to other season. Senkulma in Champions League. This guy keep it to special player. They got the big fish there. Green Kekana, not much conceding. Senkulma in Champions League. I'm going to Shogule tournament. And also midfielders. I know they always have these midfielders, but this time, Jaden Adams and Mkwena, Allende, they've got top class players. Honestly, different. They've got special players with important positions. Nenye into Shane, I think they sacrificed the league between Premiership, but Pegana na le trophy. Yes, they wanted to win the league. The schedule sabo was tight for me. But true, anyone can say that. The schedule sabo very tight labantula. And who are we? I mean, now they can say whatever they want. They needed to fix. Big men about honor makemo wabo. I mean, ibabas fagegule situation. And but bonabate. We lost it between Premiership. Let's win the CAF. But truly speaking, Shane Mankulmifar signing about this guy, about Sales, Nuno, Resinho, whoever, this guy, they're signing these players because of this tournament.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's different. Pendula. They've got two top strikers. They've got three midfielders, which is, I believe, in Africa they are the best. They've never at the back. Much better. Sometimes at the back, I believe they are not so good. I think even Pirates defense and compliment compared to those suffering with only Pirates good tournament. But Senkulmena and Sundowns at the back game, good going forward. But at the back, being a question mark. But much better this season. That's for me, especially with the tournament.
I think midfielders they were better this season because that's stronger as compared to last season. Debza was there. Allende was there. Even though Jaden last season, towards the end of the season, he wasn't playing much. Towards the end of last season, he wasn't playing much. Jaden started last season, but towards the end of the season, so would you say this season, La midfielder Sundowns, they learned from a mistake last season?
Shane, the reason I'm saying this, Upegin change Jaden Adams, no Tebza. I mean, Tebza bega mara. And then allowing Abolo, and then they're going forward. We understand truth, but here next to him, going forward. But now Jaden is sitting. If the reason I Utebza push up front, Utebza push up because he's got Jaden Adams, very composed. The Amfana when he goes forward, I'm petting on. The football, you can be attacking midfield. It's just the switch. He's very composed. There is balance, but was complementary. The reason I'm saying this year with Jaden Adams was a compliment to Tebza. Because if it's not Tebza, Jaden. If it's not Jaden, it's Tebza. Now, Bese Allende night, different player compared to last season. Pelu Jaden was not scoring goals now, as Kumifar. But now in this coach, Umpushile was on the Lagu box, and the Pega. Different player, Allende Nai. Yes, quality player, make no mistake, but the coaching, Chinchile Nai, is playing more up front. And very dangerous. I mean, these guys, there's balance between three of them. They don't play central, keeping the ball like last season, Nagule season, when Rulani was there. I love Rulani, I mean. But it's different with this guy, between Jaden, Tebza, and this guy. Minang Funa Bantabatla midfield to score goals. And for me, which is a coach, Mikel Cardos. And he did exactly that. Well done to Sundowns to Mina Shane. Bashali's and the trophy lane fit. I'm sure now giving my emotions. I'm happy two big teams in the country they lifted the trophy. I'm a trophy cool. Now I bet you Premiership in fit. Paris yesterday won bet you Premiership Saibongisa. And now these ones, the Sundowns, they are king of African football. And mina for me, Jobang is season the trophy Maldalanje. Jobang Sasha Guma group stages being it Bazolvina. The way they were playing, yes, first round of the season not convincing, but redeeming themselves. I mean, by the quality side. I mean, squad sabo. I mean, there was no way. Minagim being a Kumuntonga stop. I mean, these African teams, Lama team, Labo Morocco, ever, not Africa teams. They don't have special players. It's rare to find a player abane talent elfana neletu. They use emotions. They are too physically home ground advantage. Labo Vieira pinda bancede. But in today, thanks to the Rev Ragnar Planda Lensile, Sundowns very clean. They won square 2-star on the I think it's a history relation. A history and well done to Sundowns.
Junior, Thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo we-CAF Champions League final eMorocco. Mamelodi Sundowns apho ke bathe bathusa khona ke isidanga sokuthi babe zintshatsheli zalapha eAfrika iphela. Mamelodi Sundowns are the new CAF Champions League winners. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.